Writing scripts no longer takes hours. These 3 free AI tools can generate complete scripts in seconds. Starting at number 3 is Google Gemini, a powerful AI that works well for basic script ideas. While it may not always provide highly detailed scripts, it's great for creating scenes and structuring concepts. Simply type your idea into the prompt box, submit it, and the AI will generate a script that you can easily copy and use. At number 2 is ChatGPT, which is widely used for script writing. It delivers solid and consistent results, although sometimes it may not fully capture the exact idea you have in mind. To use it, just write your script details clearly, submit your prompt, and it will generate a complete script in one go. You can create scripts in multiple languages and copy them instantly. Taking the number 1 spot is Grok, mainly because it gives you multiple script variations. Instead of just one output, it generates 2 or 3 different scripts based on your idea, allowing you to compare and choose the best one. Simply enter your script concept, submit it, and pick the version that fits your vision. These tools make script writing faster, easier, and far more flexible for creators.